Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm doing another collab with MelyD, and we've been doing a whole series of black and white. So we started out with just black and white, and then the last one was black, white, and yellow. Today we're doing black, white, and magenta, and I'm very excited about this. The magenta I made myself, so it's an interesting one. And the white and black are just Artist Loft Flow acrylics. Everything's mixed with floetrol and water. And the materials will all be in the description. So, we are using a 16 by 20 canvas, which is a bigger size than I normally use. And I have, this is my magenta. This is a deep magenta, but mixed with a few other things. This is a foam piece, and if you watch my videos regularly, you might recognize it from an earlier video. But I'm going to be pouring over that and hopefully creating something really, really cool. And if you haven't checked out MelyD's channel yet, please, please, please do so. I will post in the description will be a link to her video for this collab. So definitely check that out. Give her a subscribe and show her some love. And also, if you guys have color suggestions for the next one that we're doing, let me know down in the comments. All right, so I'm gonna start with this. Like I said, 16 by 20 canvas, so I need about 20 ounces of paint. I think I'm gonna do this a little off center. Okay, here we go. My husband originally came up with using this foam piece. He actually custom cut it. So this bowl only holds like 8 ounces of paint. I'm definitely going to need more than that. And what I wanted to do at this stage was a little bit of just white. And then I'm going to go ahead and refill the bowl. I'm having a lot of fun with this collab because it's getting me to kind of think outside the box and not do my usual. I actually have some really good ideas for one of the next ones. Just some things I have to actually take time to set up. Okay. Oh. I'm trying to do a lot of white and not a lot of black. Actually, add a little more white here. All right, here we go. I think after this cup, I may just go ahead and add some plain paint around here. Okay. I think I'm gonna actually do one more bowl. Sorry, I know that was a little indecisive. All right, here we go. Forgot how much paint canvas this size takes. Haven't done it in a while. Since I do so many videos, I often use the smaller canvases. And that's the end of the purple. Okay, that should be plenty. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna let that drain for just a minute, move everything out of the way, and then we'll go ahead and tilt. Be right back. Okay. So this, I'm gonna go ahead and move over here. And then I'm gonna just move this white paint around, spread it out a bit. I think I should have plenty here though. I am a little bit worried, I'm not gonna lie, but I did use some, I was at the end of my floetrol bottle and it was a little bit chunky. So kind of think that there's probably quite a few chunks in here. All right, let's go ahead and give this a go. Well, that's super fun. I'm actually really glad I did this on a larger canvas. I'm gonna go ahead and go this way a bit. Okay. I think I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for a little while. We'll see if anything else develops, and then we will do our close-up. All right, we're back. Not much changing. So we're gonna do a quick close-up now, and then as we've been doing on these ones, we're gonna come back when it is all dry and take a look at it then. So let's do our close-up. So I really like this color combination. And I'm very happy with how my lines came out. And basically this is just like a big, gorgeous flower. So, super duper duper cool. Didn't overdo it on the black. Got a little more muddy in the center here than I would like, but I still think it's awesome. Okay, so we'll be back when it is all dry. Okay guys, so we're back. Unfortunately, this is not fully dry yet. It has been a couple days, so it's not dry enough to hang on the wall, but it's at the stage where it's not going to be changing anymore. It's not going to be moving anymore. It is going to dry like this. So really sorry I can't show you this one dry. Yeah, just wasn't able to this time. I'll make sure next time that I am able to for, you know, these collabs with MelyD, because I know she always does. But at least I feel comfortable letting you guys know that at this stage, this is not going to change. This is how it's going to look. And I am super, super in love with this. Love using the black and white plus one color combo. I think it's such a great idea. And I will see you all next time. Don't forget to go check out MelyD's channel and her video, and make sure you subscribe and show her some love. All right, bye guys.